All right, everyone, as promised, here is a bonus episode for you. It is a clip that we pulled from this past week's Friday Roundup, episode 145R. J.L. Collins did a guided meditation to help you cope with stock market volatility. We got a lot of positive feedback on it, and we thought it's one of those that, if you need it, you need it. You don't really want to dig through a whole episode to get access to it. So this week, we're just going to go and throw it out there as a bonus episode. There will be a link to the original content inside the show notes if you want to watch it or check out J.L. Collins' website, which is the website that is the host of his famous or infamous stock series, an incredible resource if you're interested in basically a simple path to building wealth. It's a phenomenal resource that's completely free.
A Guided Meditation for When the Stock Market is Dropping by J.L. Collins. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place to sit. Breathe in and out. In and out. Settle into your space. Now, slowly close your eyes, or perhaps hold them half open and unfocused. Breathe in and out. In and out. Focus on the sound of my voice. Breathe in and out. In and out. If you are listening to this, you are working on building your wealth with regular investments into VTSAX or a similar total stock market index fund. Or perhaps you are retired and have a portfolio balanced between VTSAX and VBTLX or a similar total bond market index fund to smooth the ride. Now, the stock market has taken a dip, or perhaps it has dropped about 20% into what is called bear market territory, or perhaps it has even crashed further, or you are worried it will. For the purposes of our time together, let's assume it has. Relax. Focus on the sound of my voice. Breathe in and out, in and out. In this relaxed state, let's acknowledge what you might be feeling. Perhaps you are afraid. After all, you are hearing the voices of panic all around you. Perhaps your stomach is clenched and your nerves are beginning to fray. Now allow those fears and tensions to melt away as we focus on what we know as index investors. That is, the ride may be volatile, but the market always goes up over time. Turn off all the screens, put down all the newspapers, tune out the voices of panic, especially those in your head. Step away from the noise. Gather all those fears and tensions, and on your next exhale, breathe them out. Feel your stresses release and drift away. Take a deep breath, exhale, relax. Focus only on the sound of my voice. Everything is going to be all right. The talking heads are wrong, as they always are. The stock market is not going to end. The world is not going to end. Everything is going exactly as we expected. This is all a perfectly natural part of the process. Market drops, bear markets, crashes are all to be expected. They are a perfectly natural part of the process. We have been expecting this one. We know what to do. Nothing. We do nothing. We know deep in our minds, deep in our gut, this is natural, and it will naturally pass. When it does, the market will resume its relentless rise. We simply wait. We do nothing. These periodic, expected, natural drops are what we accept as part of our wealth building journey. They are a part of the path. They are what lead to the long-term gains we seek. They are welcome. Everything is okay. Everything is as it should be. You are going to be fine. Your money is right where it should be. You are right where you should be. This too will pass. The market will rise again. The market will fall. Then the market will go up again. It is like breathing, in and out, up and down. This is natural. This is to be expected. With each breath, you grow stronger. With each market cycle, your wealth grows stronger. This is the way of things. In your mind's eye, zoom out now. Zoom out beyond this day, this week, this month, this year, beyond this decade. Zoom out until you can see the big picture. Envision the historical trend of the index. You can see it. It grows, and then it dips, but it always recovers to new heights. Over time, it climbs and climbs and climbs. You know this. You have seen this. You are on this trajectory. Your money is growing, and you don't have to change a thing. If you are working and building your wealth, keep adding to your investments as before. You are buying them now on sale. If you are living off your portfolio and now holding bonds, here is the opportunity you have been holding those bonds for. When you rebalance your portfolio, that money flowing from those bonds into stocks is buying those stocks on sale. You are unconcerned with this temporary dip in the price of your shares. You know you still have the same number of shares as before. You still own the same piece of all those productive companies in the index. You still have all those people in all those companies, from the factory floor to the CEO, working to make you richer. And now, with this wonderful market drop, you can buy still more of those shares on sale. Perhaps you even adjust your spending to free up more money to take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. Continue to buy as much VTSAX as you can, as often as you can, and hold on to it forever. You will be fine. Stay the course. You are doing just fine. The market is fine. This is all very normal. This is all entirely expected. All that panic is only for media ratings. It is not real. The end is not here. This is but a pause in the market's relentless rise. Nothing more. Stay the course. Keep calm. Keep it simple. Keep investing. Stay invested. Ignore the noise. Let it drift away on the breeze. Now, slowly open your eyes. Notice the world around you. Everyone who loved you before the market drop still loves you. The earth is still rotating on its axis, taking us from day to night and back again. Children still laugh and play. Puppies still wag their tails. The sun still shines. The world is still a beautiful place. And you are yet one step further in your journey to financial freedom. You have met this test, and you have won. Recommit to your plan and continue confidently on your simple path to wealth. And now, go do something wonderful in this wonderful world with all your wonderful freedom.
Again, huge thanks to Jim for letting us share this with our community. As I mentioned at the beginning, a couple things that you should do this week. First of all, if you have not yet listened to Jim on our show, that was episode 19 of the podcast. And in that, we kind of highlighted the power of index fund investing. Jim has written an incredible resource on his site, jlcollinsnh.com. And on that website, he actually goes through, just the basics of index fund investing and why he's such a huge fan and why he believes it's one of the most powerful levers that we have available to build real meaningful wealth. It's a very easy read. It's one of those that once you see it, you can't unsee it, and you should definitely check it out if you haven't done that already. He also packaged it together in a book called The Simple Path to Wealth, and that is available anywhere books are sold, and it is a phenomenal packaging of that same information. So definitely check those out if you haven't already. All right, my friends, from Brad and myself, have a wonderful week. We'll see you next time as we continue to go down the road less traveled.